Secrets revealed. $170 per day using Google Translate. Make money online. What if I told you that a free tool combined with high-paying offers could have you making $174 a day? Intrigued? Well, you're in for a treat because today on Profitability Plus, we're unveiling a simple yet powerful method involving Google Translate, CPA Grip, and a platform that pays you just for clicks. Stay tuned and let's unlock the potential of money-making websites together. Today, we're delving into some ingenious ways to pad your wallet, combining the power of Google Translate, CPA marketing, and a unique platform that pays you for every click. Let's get straight to the point. No corporate jargon, just practical steps to boost your everyday income. Google Translate, a tool we all know, becomes a money-making machine in this strategy. Imagine earning up to $174 a day simply by translating words. It's not a gimmick, it's a legitimate way to make money online fast. The process is straightforward. Google Translate, turning words into dollars. Navigate to Google Translate, a free service by Google. Choose the language you want to translate from and to. Translate a word, and immediately you're on your way to earning $1 per minute. Now, let's talk CPA marketing with CPA Grip, a powerhouse in the affiliate marketing world. If you're wondering how to earn money online, this is a game changer. But here's the twist. We're not targeting the usual suspects. We're going for high-paying offers in top-tier countries. France, for example, offers a whopping $23 payout, way more than the standard $2. The reason? Fewer people are tapping into these opportunities, making them a gold mine for those in the know. CPA marketing with CPA Grip, registration and offers. Head over to cpagrip.com and register. Ensure you have a Skype ID, free from the official Skype website. Agree to terms and conditions and log in. Explore the available offers based on your geographical location. Click on Offer Tools and select My Offers. Identify top-paying countries with high-value offers. Next up, ShortyEarn.com, a platform that pays you for clicks. No need to generate leads or sell anything. Imagine getting money for every click. It's that simple. And to top it off, we'll show you how to amplify your reach through Google Sites, a free service from Google. ShortyEarn.com, monetizing clicks. Visit ShortyEarn.com and sign up for an account. Upon logging in, click New Shorten Link. Paste your CPA affiliate link and select a new tracking domain. Copy the shortened link. This is your monetizable link for clicks. Go to sites.google.com and create a new website. Delete the header, select the text option, and paste your CPA offer headline. Adjust text size, color, and boldness for an attractive appearance. Save an image from the CPA offer and upload it to your site. Use Google Translate to create a call to action button in French. Add a button linking to your shortened link from ShortyEarn.com. Publish your Google site and obtain the unique link. But we're not done yet. Pearltree comes into play, a social media platform with over 1.3 million monthly visitors. Register, add your Google website link, and let the platform work its magic. This multi-step strategy, when executed correctly, can have you earning up to $174 a day, all from the comfort of your home. Pearltree, amplifying reach. Register on pearltree.com. Click on plus icon, select web page, and paste the link to your Google site. Add your web page to Pearltree, reaching over 1.3 million monthly visitors. Now that we've delved into the lucrative possibilities offered by Google Translate, let's shift our focus to another dynamic realm: Google Maps. Much like translating words opens doors to online earnings, exploring the avenues presented by Google Maps provides additional opportunities to bolster your income. From contributing as a local business photographer to optimizing business listings and even becoming a map analyst, The potential in Google Maps is vast and diverse. So, let's navigate through the wealth of possibilities and discover how you can harness the earning potential embedded in the world of Google Maps. Ways to earn from Google Maps. Drop servicing. Earnings of over $3,000 a month are achievable for those highly proficient. Although building this income stream can be gradual, it's essential to expand your reach for optimal results. Updating Google Business Profiles. Expect to earn between $20 to $100 for each profile update, with the exact amount influenced by factors such as the area, listing details, and the company size. Improving company SEO. A substantial income potential of $40,000 a year can be realized by enhancing a company's SEO and expanding its reach. Marketing web services. Freelancers in the field of web services can earn an impressive $70,000 a year, making marketing a lucrative career choice. Leaving reviews for personal gain. While monetary compensation is rare, you can receive items or services in exchange for positive reviews. Photography for listings. As a freelance photographer, you could potentially earn $40,000 a year by offering high-quality photography services for business listings. If Google Street View has seen recent updates in your vicinity, a world of opportunities opens up. Identify local businesses in need of updated photos, enhanced signage, or additional reviews. Establishing credibility is key, as many businesses prefer local professionals to avoid potential scams. Building a portfolio and reaching out to businesses through visits or emails can effectively showcase your offerings. The earning potential varies, with the potential to earn over $3,000 a month with proficiency. Promoting local businesses online. Optimizing a business's Google Maps listing is a powerful way to boost visibility and attract potential customers. Utilize your knowledge for search engine optimization or SEO and Google Ads to market local businesses effectively. Google Ads enables businesses to create targeted ads that appear in Google Maps search results, reaching a broader audience by targeting specific keywords and locations. The earning potential for a local business marketer is $30 per hour. Becoming a map analyst. Explore the option of being a map analyst by collaborating with companies like Lionbridge. Responsibilities include ensuring the accuracy of ads, maps, search results, and other elements. This flexible role allows you to work from home, similar to the versatility offered by Pons.app, which presents various earning opportunities through surveys and broadband sharing. The earning potential for map analyst is $10 to $16 per hour. Translating map content. Tap into the demand for high-quality translation in Google Maps by joining We Localize, a content transformation service. Multilingual individuals can contribute to tasks related to translation, localization, and adaptation, enhancing the user experience for global communities. The earning potential for map content translator is $20 per hour. So, if you're on the lookout for ways to making money online, eager to explore the untapped potential of Google Translate, CPA marketing, and more, you're in the right place. Don't miss out on this opportunity to boost your income with these work-from-home jobs. Stick around and let's make money online together in 2024.